So I just want to praise God. God is so good.
Wait, Mom, we should call God the ultimate God, because we are God, but how did he didn't make all the trees, did we? But he did.
Absolutely, I love that. So I am going to start saying that from now on. Instead of saying the higher power, I'm going to say the ultimate God. That's the ultimate God. The ultimate God. I love the way that.
Like dreams do come true.
Well, welcome to a full day of being in our RV. Yes, a full day of super sporadic and being in our RV. Yep. We had to come to the gas station. That's where we are right now. We had to go to the market, and we're gonna go back home, and we're gonna cook. Yeah. Jayden did his homework. I did a little yoga, more like breathing and meditation, but I did move my body a little bit, kind of my upper body. I didn't move my bottom body at all. Cooking. This should be a surprise, or like what should I say? You should be in for a real treat, because this is gonna be my first time using this portable stove. So wish me luck, y'all. Okay, and I'm gonna put a clip in there because yep, I'm excited, but we're gonna see. Make sure you take the handles out before you start cooking, because unfortunately I burnt it a little bit, if you can see it, because I didn't pull them out. So don't make this mistake that I did. All right, I think the rice is done.
Video where you're gonna see how my mom cooks. Right now she's making a back into a kitchen. The thing that we're going to set the stove on. See? Well, that's where it is.
So we're all ready to go. So tonight we are having rice and southern chili. So we have my cutting board. Also I have my little spoon over here, and I have something for it to sit on, like a little table for the things that I use to, like, you know, mix. And then this is gonna be my bowl that I use. I didn't show you my pots and pans. So this thing is a whole set, right? So it goes like this, and this goes inside here like this, and it's so awesome and so portable and for the go. So this is how it goes. So you set it on the stove. Yeah, so cool. But we're not using a pan today. We're only using a pot, and we're using a big pot. And then I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Am I missing anything? Oh, I want to show you this bag full of goodies. So inside here, like I said, you know, this is our first time cooking in the RV, and I'm very excited. This bag comes with a whole bunch of different kitchen supplies. Oh, I'm sorry. This bag comes with a whole bunch of kitchen supplies, and I have yet to use them all. And the only thing that I took out was this spoon, because I'm going to need it to stir the rice and the beans. Yeah. All right, guys, I want to show you our kitchen setup. Look at this. I'm just going through a walkthrough. It's the sink, the bowls and everything in there. All ready to go. Our trash can.
I got a pot. I got a pot. I got a pot. My mom's getting ready to cook. She's reading the instructions.
got time to play in the dirt because we're cooking. Okay? Now you have to wash your hands. Thank you very much. I've been reading this book called I always forget. Handbook for Raising Black Children, a comprehensive holistic guide, right? And it talks about like being a good parent, parenting skills, diet, snacks, and different things like that, behavior problems, disciplining, all different types of things that the African American, well, I'm not gonna call it the African American community, the African community,
Brothers and sisters,
or the melanated community, I'll put it at that, the melanated community need to know so that we can strive in this world that we live in, wrapped around white supremacy. You know, we've been victims of a lot, and this book is like helping to overcome these things and giving the things to our children that we did not have so that we can build a better environment for our culture. Okay, I gotta go because I gotta get gas. Be back soon. Peace. Hot water for when we wash our face and like our private areas and
other places,
underarms and you know
other places,
the main places that you need to wash.
Yeah,
because you know you don't have to wash up every day. Like wash your body in that toxic water every single day. So go let them soak a little bit. I know I should have let them sit, but we kind of hungry now.
Yeah, we want to eat now.
All right, so
let's feed them.
Rinse that off really good. Open this up, my favorite knife, and got it.
And I found it for you today.
All right, we're about to eat our food. What you think, Jay?
Nothing.
Good. You think good? Wait. I gotta hold that for you. Look at Jay's little cup. Show him how close up, how portable it is.
Whoop, whoop. Wait, hold up. I got you though. Dun, dun, wait. Stop moving away from me.
Yep. And then you put the top on it. Thanks for watching. How was the food, Jay?
So good that I'll stay right here still eating, and tornadoes, and I'll still be spinning around eating.
You gonna eat that little peach that you got left? Well, thank you. That made me feel good, and that was funny.
What?
Because I can imagine you spinning around and the tornado still eating. Like, this tornado ain't gonna stop me. This tornado ain't gonna stop me.
Aren't you gonna help me?
I'm gonna help you, Jay, and I'm gonna be like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I can't even imagine. I'll probably be crying. Like, where's my Jay? He'd be like, Mom, I'm okay. I'm still eating.
Yeah, they're invincible, and she's just in the background.